be doing the Tangle Tongue Twister challenge with my dad.
Hello.
Zuru has sent us their new fidget toy called Tangle. We have a sparkle, a crazy,
And I've got the metallic and also the classic.
Now let's open them and try them out. They come in 4 different styles and 6 different colours. Wow, mine are so cool. Are yours cool, Dad?
Yeah, mine are cool. Look, they come undone.
Why don't we connect them all together?
We can.
Okay,
Pull
let's
them
try
apart, Join them together. I can join mine to
it.
yours.
And then we're going to join my gold one on. Now let's join my gold one on.
Ooh.
This is getting long. It's like a large necklace.
Wow.
Very fancy. This can even be a giant necklace for my dad.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. They come in different textures. We've got bumpy and bubbly. This one's coil, one's shiny, and this one's smooth. You can fiddle with them, you can twist them, and be very creative. I know, Dad. Let's make a chain.
Yep, come on then.
Okay.
Which one are we going to join to which?
I'm going to join my one to yours and the rest join that one to mine. So we can mix them up. Mix and match.
Let's go through this one.
Yeah.
That one in there. So the
I've made a
bottom one.
baby chain. Baby
Yeah, we
chain.
got to undo this one now to go through there.
Put this one through here.
And that one on there.
And then smooth it up. Ta-da!
Ah, look at that.
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah.
Wow!
Are they relaxing?
Oh, these are really relaxing. You can
Are they?
say that again.
Glasses, look for Daddy.
Ah, look, it looks more like a dog
Look at
bone.
that.
It looks more like a...
they're glasses.
No, it looks like a dog bone.
Oh, does it? Oh, right, okay.
Zuru have launched the Tangle Tongue Twister challenge. If you want to take part, ask your parents' permission first. Ask them to film it. Then ask them to upload your challenge to the Zuru Facebook page with the hashtag TangleTwisted. The team at Zuru will pick a lucky winner. If you didn't catch that, it'll be in the description below. Now let's get on with the Tangle Tongue Twister challenge.
What you got to do, you got to fidget with your tangle,
Okay.
and at the same time, you've got to read this out, this tongue twister, as quick as you can.
How am I supposed to do that?
You just got to read it as quick as you can. Now, right, I'm going to time you. You got to fidget with your tangle at the same time. Right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Steady, go.
2 totally tough toy tongue twisted thrifty fronts to tangle and try twice to tie 20 times and the tangle. Done.
That was 10 seconds.
10 seconds!
You're doing really well on your Tangle Tongue Twister challenge. I've got a surprise for you. Hey!
A fidget cube!
Yeah, you've always wanted one of them, haven't you?
I know! It is a pink one, just as I wanted. Thank you so much.
It's all right, bud.
Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye.